Hello, hello. It's our Workspace Spark May unboxing. Let's dig right on in. So before we get started, I want to say thank you so much to everyone that completed our survey, all of our subscribers, our members of our community. We heard you loud and clear. And one thing that was consistent is that people want more organizational stuff on their desk, right? My dad used to say a cluttered desk is a cluttered mind. So I get it. So this month we made your wishes come true. But before I dive into the actual products, let's talk the theme for this month. So this month's theme is business etiquette. I don't know if you can see this insert. Well, Victoria Hudson, she is the founder of Polish. Polish teaches etiquette for young ladies and women in professional spaces. And so she is joining us on our training this month to talk about business etiquette. Our cultures have been a little bit too lax lately, right? And so we want to make sure that you have all the tips and tools to send emails, to conduct virtual meetings, all of the above. So tune in to our training for this month with Victoria Hudson. Now, again, we heard you loud and clear. You want more organization, so we gave you more organization. This month, we gave you the ARC Ubrand desk organization set. Yes, because we want you to coordinate. All right, so first things first is the paper sorter. Great quality. Love Ubrand's products. So if you have postcards laying around, mail, paper, this is your paper sorter. All right, so it sits on your desk with all of the things to keep your desk organized, right? All those files, papers that you need, postcards, notebooks, all of those great things. That's your paper sorter. Next is your pen or pencil holder. So I have a few pens and pencils here. Stick them right on in and they can sit nice and neat on your desk. Last but not least, a part of the kit is the tape dispenser. All right, awesome tape dispenser. But you don't have to just use clear tape. You can use the planner tape, the really colorful tape that people use in the planner world and in journals, or you can do this clear tape. I've even seen some gold tape that is amazing. I think it'll be cute on a desk. But that is your kit, your Ubrand desk organization kit that has your paper sorter, tape dispenser, that failed, sorry, and your pencil cup. All right, next is your bad guy blocker. All right. With this blocker, protect your privacy and cover your camera when needed. So listen, hackers are out there. I hate it, I know. But this allows that if your computer is hacked and they can turn your camera on, that you can slide this bad boy over and it'll cover your camera. Or if you're not camera ready for your Zoom meeting just yet, you can slide that bad boy over and open it when you are. So your bad guy blocker. And last but not least, I love Pinch Provisions kits, and this is your Earbud Detail Kit. I don't know about you, I love my AirPods, but good God, they get dirty. So you have microfiber cloth in this kit. You have cotton swabs, a cleaning tool, sponger, and alcohol wipes. So that you can keep those AirPods nice and clean. And it's a cute pouch that you can actually drop your AirPods in, or if you have Beats or whatever, I'm an Apple girl. So if you have other listening devices, earbuds, you can drop them in here as well. Awesome. So again, check out our trainings for this month. Thank you so much for feedback. We're trying to give you the things you need. We hope that you enjoy your paper sorter, your pencil cup. Bring it back up here. We hope that you enjoy your paper sorter, your pencil cup, and your matching tape dispenser. So in the comments, like I always ask, drop and let me know what items were your favorite this month. Did you enjoy the coordinated organizational set? And we will see you next month. Bye for now.